Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to schedule Instagram Reels on desktop. Now, to schedule Instagram Reels on your desktop, you can use Meta's free official tool, Meta Business Suite. So go to Meta Business Suite, log in using your account, whether we're going to use Facebook, or in our case today, we're going to use Instagram. Then you can go ahead and log in and connect your account to Meta Business Suite. Now, you can manage everything from here, right? So if you want to create a post or schedule a post, you're gonna go ahead and create a post here. All right, wait for a few moments. And you can add medium, if it's a photo or a video, maybe a carousel or a video reel, right? Add a text, and don't forget to add hashtags, and of course, location to basically attract your audience. And here, the important point, or the core point of our video is scheduling, right? I'm gonna turn on set date and time. Let's say tomorrow, 7:13 p.m., right? Or active times, tomorrow, 5 p.m., or Saturday, 8 p.m., Thursday, Thursday, 10 a.m., right? Next Thursday. So let's say tomorrow, hit save, and basically you can hit schedule here, right? So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.